Hi, I'm Johnny with Happy Valley Ranch. Today we'll be replacing the rubber catch on our cracking cups for our Kinetic Krackers. First thing you want to do is make sure your machine is unplugged. Then you will remove the guard from the cracking mechanism. Then I'm using an electric drill. I suggest you use a number 2 screwdriver. The rubber catch is right here. It has a screw and a washer in it. Remove it real easy. Set your screw and washer down. You'll have to pull back on your number 2 cylinder and your cracking cup will pull right out. On this cracking cup, this rubber will just pull right off, just like so. Replace the new one in the same manner. Your new one will be a little tougher than the old one, but they do fit easy. Make sure that your rubber is down inside the groove on the cracking cup. Once you have your rubber catch reinstalled onto the cracking cup, you just push your number 2 cylinder back install your cracking cup. Take your little screw and your washer, insert it into the hole on your cracking cup. This is why I say use a regular screwdriver, and it is reinstalled. And that's the process of replacing the rubber catch on your cracking cup.